Alright, so yan. Hello guys, okay. So our topic for today will be how to find the right supplier in Alibaba. Okay, so we have to make sure, okay, na trusted ang ating supplier. Okay, so para hindi tayo magkaroon ng issue pagdating sa ating mga products. Okay, so basically mabilis lang to. Okay, so pupunta lang tayo kay alibaba.com. Okay, yan. Have to make sure na kay Alibaba tayo, and then say for example hanap tayo ng product. So say ang ating product is chicken shredder, chicken meat shredder. Okay, yan, let's say yan ang ating product. Okay, alright, yan. Okay, so once nandito na kayo kay Alibaba, there are specific lang na kailangan yung i-tick dito sa side panel. We call this side panel. Okay? So, para ma-ensure, okay, na okay yung mga supplier na mahanap nyo. Okay? And ito, yung mga criteria. Okay? So, first is, we have to make sure na na-tick natin ang trade assurance. Okay? Ito si trade assurance. Okay? So, tick nyo siya. Okay? Yan. Okay? And then, the next one, we also need to tick yung verified supplier. Okay? Click nyo si verified supplier. Okay. There you go. Alright. And then, under management certification, okay. So, sa mga criteria is dapat is tick natin si ISO. Yan, si ISO. Yan. Okay. And then, if it happens na meron pa dito na let's say kasama din sa ticking natin is si BSCI NC 14001. Okay? Yan. So, ISO 14001. Okay? Yan. So, yan yung mga sure. Okay? So, yan yung mga legit na supplier na pwede nating makita. And then, you have to make sure guys pala, okay? Yung under verified niya, yan, nakita nyo na verified supplier, it should be 5 years above. 5 years and above. Okay? Para hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema. Have to make sure na 5 years above ang kanilang verification or verified. Okay? So, once na pumasok na siya sa ating criteria, okay, you can go ahead and ask the supplier. Okay? And, yun, pwede nyo na siyang kausapin kung paano mag-order sa kanya, what about the payment, the shipping, and paano yung process ng mga pagpapadala nyo kay Amazon. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, that's it guys. Okay? So, if you have any question, so just park it, write it down, and I'll see you on the Checkpoint 5 session. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.